Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki and I'm super excited about the book that I've released last week. It's been a week since the book is online on Amazon, both as a paperback and as an ebook. And actually, there were already like 40 copies of the book sold, both in paperback and as an ebook. And I'm super grateful for all of you who actually bought the book, who commented down below that you like it, that you recommend it. It really means a lot to me, and it's really, really satisfying. And I will keep on pushing because I really like producing content of this quality, and I really like that people enjoy reading this. So the book is basically, for those of you who don't know, the book is about getting a data science job. The name is Data Science Job, How to Become a Data Scientist. So it's a little bit clickbait, but it's not a clickbait because there's actually content to it. And I go step by step on what it means to be a data scientist, what is data science, what are the differences between like data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer, etc. Because always you don't always know what to expect from a job, and what I'm talking about here is that you should read job descriptions pretty well and pretty in detail, because sometimes those expectations change from job to job. So I go into details like that. I also go over GitHub, like why you need to have an account on GitHub, why you need to have couple of open source projects that you can show during your interview process, what an interview process looks like, and then I also recommend a couple of books you should read, courses that you might be able to take, different kind of materials that you can find online or on platforms like Coursera, Edureka, etc. So I wanted to give this broad overview of what is data science, how to become a data scientist, to make it all easier for everyone. And then I end the whole book by giving a data science crash course, which is super fast, super efficient course into the most basic concepts of data science, so that once you read it, and you basically can start practicing. Because in the end, the hugest, I guess, lesson from the whole book, and the thing that I wanted to convey, is that data science is really practical. So no matter how much you will read about it, no matter what kind of concepts you learn about, it's always about getting data, getting your hands dirty with this data, and trying to practice and practice again until you get the results, until you get everything visualized on your screen, and until it gets done in a form that can be presented to others. So that's the whole lesson behind the book. So if you like my channel, if you like what I write on Medium, please buy the book. I'm trying to try to make it as cheap as possible, so that it's for now it's $5 per ebook, $10 for a paperback. So I guess it's quite approachable for almost anyone. In the future, I probably write even more, because my plan is actually to write more articles on Medium. So if you don't know, I have the account on Medium where I'm publishing basically every week. There's something new. That's where I'm running my blog, so you can visit that. Also, the link is directly on my website, pchojecki.com, as in my surname, so you can Google that. And also the plan is that I want to create more books around the data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, wherever I see there is a gap. So probably the next gap that I see is the gap on the verge of actually business applications and really cutting edge research in machine learning. This is what it's missing mostly. I've been collaborating on different projects, both as a consultant or on my own, and I see how big is the gap between what's actually possible in research, what people are doing at universities, what my colleagues are doing for their PhDs, for their own projects, and what's actually implemented in real life. And this gap is basically due to the lack of knowledge, I think, because you can, some of those solutions you can take and start using directly, and there's no reason not to, because that makes everything easier, faster, more optimized. So yeah, I'm all about spreading the knowledge about data science and machine learning, and how you can apply that in business virtually anywhere, because right now this is really a boom in data science, and it's great to spread the knowledge so that everyone can use data science in their projects. Yeah, and this is what it's all about. So thank you for listening. Please check out my book, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next episode.